It's a big game. I'm seeing over the past few years they've been one of our biggest competitors. So it's not a game to take lightly. There's a beautiful blend of youth and experience. So that should propel the experienced players forward and give the younger players energy to achieve what the others have. Like I always tell you, it's a game at a time. So with them coming from a loss, they're playing at home, they're wounded, so we should expect a tough battle.
Tumekuwa tukitick boxes zetu since season ianze. Yeah, we'll just continue taking them and fix what didn't work for us against Queens. We're in high spirits, tumekuwa tukitrain poa, and we're prepared for the games. Yeah, we know that it's a huge task coming from Oilers and Kabras. They are two crucial teams, matches that were supposed to be sharp.